Hi friends, this is Krishna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to analyze two stocks which are looking very good for the momentum buy option. And before we move on to today's topic, let's see how my previous recommendation is doing. I recommended Adani Green Energy on last Friday, and I hope many of you might have watched my videos. And right the next day, because Monday is a holiday declared in India, so the Saturday was working day for the market. So on Saturday, Adani Green Energy shot up nearly 130 points and it closed with a gain of around 98 points. Okay, oh sorry, it has closed with a gain of nearly 107 points. Here I marked this buy zone and I recommended that when Adani Green Energy comes to this level, we can expect the trend reversal. And it's the same thing exactly happened. As soon as it comes into the buy zone, it shot up nearly, it was more than 6% actually. Okay. So see, this is the power of identifying the momentum stocks in stock market. Even if you are invested in the fixed deposit, you might be getting only 7% per annum. But here you had already made more than 6% profit with whatever the capital you have invested within a matter of one day. Okay. So in case if any of you have invested and make some money, I would be really happy. Okay, so without wasting further time, let us move on to today's topic. So the first stock we are going to see is the Bajaj Auto. Okay, so the very first step, what we need to do, we need to draw the trend line. So this can be a parallel channel line and support and resistance. So basically, you need to do this for various time charts and for various permutations and combinations. You need to do this. You should not take the trade based on only one perspective of the analysis. So here you can see this is the parallel channel line I have drawn. So whenever it comes to this level, there is a pullback, number one. And also here, if you see in the multiple time frame, that is in 1 hourly chart, here this act as a good support. So this is a second support line. So as I normally say, once you identify the support or resistance line, you should also draw a zone, draw a buy zone or a sell zone. So here, since it is a high value stock, this is trading at a price of nearly 7,100 rupees. So what you need to do, your buy or sell zone, it should have plus or minus 30 to 40 points. So accordingly, I have drawn this buy zone. So when Bajaj Auto comes down to this level, we can expect there is a bounce back, and most probably this will come to this level because 24th we have the results, quarterly results by Bajaj Auto. So I believe this should come to this level. But as I say, normally stock markets are highly unpredictable, and whatever the technical analysis or the research we are doing, this may work to some extent only, and I have all the right to be wrong. So before you invest, please make sure you do the analysis from your side. Okay. Then the second indicator what we need to see is the stochastic RSI. So let us look at the 4 hours chart. So in 4 hours chart, it is in the oversold region. And let us look at the daytime chart. In the daytime also, it is almost at the oversold region. So any price around 6,900, let's say between 6,850 to 6,950. Of course, it is 100 points range. But if you are a conservative trader, you can reduce this range, and anything around 6,900 we can say is a very good entry point for Bajaj Auto. Okay, entry point is okay. What will be the exit point? The exit point, as I normally say in my video, you need to know or you should fix the value how much you want to make from the market. In case if you are investing 5 lakhs and if you are happy with 5,000 rupees per day, then and as soon as your target is met, you should exit that stock. This is how the swing trading works, and this is how you can make money in stock market without losing the peace of mind. Okay, so I leave the target price to you people and you can decide it accordingly. And this QQE indicator here you can see now currently it is at the below zero levels at the day chart. See, and in 4 hours chart also it is at the below zero level. So as soon as Bajaj Auto comes to this level, you will be seeing a change in this indicator. So normally what will happen when it is a red candle, inverted red candle, how you can identify there will be a going, I mean, there going to be a change in the trend. Here, instead of a red candle, there will be a yellow candle. So when there is an yellow candle, you can easily envisage that there going to be a change in the trend. Okay, so this is another option. So this will be a very good buy, friends, Bajaj Auto. But the only thing is you need to wait until it comes down to these levels. And as I say, it may come, it may not come, but I expect most probably this will come to this level for buying. Okay, this is one thing. Let us look at the another indicators. This one I have not posted actually, uh, but this is a bit of advanced analysis which I do not want to confuse you guys, but I will just touch upon this one. You see, this is the smooth Heikanasi candles. So this will basically this will work as a trend indicator, and based on the time chart time frame you are selecting, this will also vary. And whenever this comes to this candle levels, you can see that there was a pullback, and now you can see it is almost it has come to this level, but I expect this may come down a little bit around 6,900 levels before it move towards the north. Okay, okay, so this is another one. So what is our next stock? The next stock will be IndusInd Bank. So the same thing you need to see. I have drawn the parallel channel line, the support line, and the resistance line. So let us look at the hourly chart. So in the hourly chart, you can see this one, this point is acting as a support, but it is not exactly based on this one. But is it based on anything else? Yes. So it is based on the 200 DMA. You see this orange color line, this is basically the 200-day moving average. If you are in the market, you might know this 200-day moving average will act as a strong support or resistance point. And this 200-day moving average exactly comes into the buy zone what I have marked. So like Bajaj Auto here for IndusInd Bank, anything close to 1500 levels will be a good buy or good entry point. And how about the stochastic RSI? In 4 hours chart, it is in the extremely oversold region, and in the day chart also, it is in the oversold region. Okay, so the result was already declared. See, when a stock has not rallied before the results, we can expect after the result, we can expect some rally. Likewise, if a stock has corrected after the result, if the result is extremely bad, then you need to stay away from the stock. But for IndusInd Bank, that was not the case. So after the result, there was a correction because of the HDFC Bank. Because of HDFC Bank, there was a collateral damage to all other banks as well. But from next week, we can expect a bounce back in Bank Nifty, especially IndusInd Bank, because it has already corrected from the recent high was close to 1700 and now it is trading at around 1530. So we can consider around 200 points it has already corrected, and as soon as it comes down to this buy zone, you can consider buying this stock, or you can add little quantities, and further if there is a correction, you can consider adding more. And we can also look at the smooth Fibonacci candle. Okay, so basically when Yeah, so this is what a good entry point will make normally, because if there is no pullback as soon as it touches this candle level, we can expect there will be a trend reversal with some further more correction here. Okay, so with these two stocks, I think the next week it is going to be a very interesting week. I expect the Bajaj Auto and IndusInd Bank to do well in the coming weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.